Hello everybody, welcome. I am the Old Food Guy. Now today, I've been on Tesco's website. I'm not too confident about this one, to be fair to you. Let me show you what I've got. Alright, I got some fish fingers. I did buy all this stuff from Aldi, by the way, not Tesco's. Aldi's a lot cheaper. Got myself some fish fingers. I got some potatoes. Some parsley sauce, some leeks, and I got myself some peas, some garden peas, frozen garden peas. Now I'm going to do fish finger pie. Never tried one before. So let's get cooking. Right, first thing, we'll get peeling the spuds. We'll get them on first. Right, they're done. Get them under the cold tap now, get rid of all the starch. Right, they're all done. So get them on to boil. They're the first things you need doing. Oh, wrong one. I always salt mine after. You can salt them first if you need to. And while they're doing, get yourself some fish fingers and get your oven on, 200 degrees. Get your oven, get your fish fingers in a thing, it says. Pile them in. It says you want 10, but I've got a pack of 15 for the same price, so I'll use them all. So when your potatoes start boiling, get your fish in the oven for 10 minutes. Right, while the potatoes are doing, I'm going to go and do the parsley sauce. So how do you do it? Let's have a look. You see that? Empty the contents into a saucepan, half a pint of cold milk and stir gradually, right? Get it on nice and low. We'll stir this in. So we'll get it all. And we'll stir up half a pint of milk in. And we'll just keep stirring till it thickens up. I'll just drop more milk in a second. Just a little bit more milk. That's about half a pint altogether. So we'll stir until that's thickened. Right, that's thickened up nicely now, so I'm going to turn that off. I've put enough milk in that, to be fair. Could always have a drop more milk. Seems quite thick. Right, I want to get a leek. I want to chop a leek up, get rid of the ends. I want to get them in and I want to wash them. Just give them a soak. Right, I've washed them up. They've got to go into the parsley sauce. I might stick a bit more milk in that parsley sauce. It seems a bit thick. Give them a stir. It's got to go back on the hob. I just want to get it all mixed together first. I think I will stick a bit more milk in there. And get a cup full of peas in. I'm going to stick it back on the hob. I'm going to put a bit more milk in there. I think it's a bit thick. A bit more milk. Get it back on the hob. I'm going to simmer that. Right, potatoes are boiling. So get your fish fingers in the oven. So it says you need 10, but I've got 15. There's 15 in the pack, so I'm sticking all them in. Right, the mash is done. So first things first, get some salt. and pepper. You want a knob of butter? On you get, in you get. Lovely. And a dash of milk, or cream, whichever you prefer. I like milk. And mash away till you get mashed potato. Right, mash is done. Get a taste, make sure it's seasoned enough. Nearly drop more salt, I think. Lovely. Now get your fish fingers out. Well, I've got the fish fingers out. They're not cooked yet, but you don't want them cooked. You want to get your sauce. Apparently, according to the website, anyway, get it put on. And you've got the saucepan there. Just spread it through. Then you want to get your mashed potato. And get it on top. Well, I've got one of these, I have. These are brilliant. Get rid of all the bits in the mash if you've got any. So I'm going to use one of these. I don't know what they're called. A masher or something, I don't know. They make a mess, but you just keep doing that. Apparently this has got 5-star reviews, this meal, so on the website, on the Tesco website. Yeah. Everyone has said about the same as what I did. I wouldn't expect to do anything like, but it tasted delicious, so we'll see. Right, there we go. That's before it goes in the oven. Oh, there we go then, that's done. It smells nice. Bit fishy, obviously. So, Tesco recipe this, off their website. I think it's got about 60 reviews, all 5-star. So I didn't want to add any more, could have put a nice bit of cheese on top of there, but I want to do it to the recipe. So let it cool down for a minute, and we'll give it a taste test. So there you go then, fish finger pie. Looks okay. It's not very big though, to be fair, it's not very deep. It's boiling up though. Smells lovely. Can't taste much parsley sauce, to be fair. Let's try another bit. Okay, just a hint. Just a hint. I'll probably put a bit more parsley sauce in that. But it's nice. Tastes just a bit like fish pie. It's a little bit bland. I don't know if that's the parsley sauce. Not quite enough. It's very tasty. It is tasty. Just a little bit bland. It's nice though. Very nice. Yes. So it's not very deep though. Maybe that's because the dish I use a long, thin one. But anyway, I am the Old Food Guy. Don't forget to like, subscribe, give us a comment. You ever tried this fish finger pie before? It's worth a go. Altogether it cost me what? £1.50 for the fish fingers, £1 for the potatoes. What else did I have? Leeks, £1. 20p for the parsley sauce mix. 50p for the peas. So good value. I mean, it feeds the family. So cheap, easy foods. We'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.